Hey art friends, today we are going to draw a puppy jumping into a pile of leaves.
And here's what our drawings look like at the very end. I hope you're really excited to follow along with us.
Yeah, I had a lot of fun drawing my puppy.
Yours is really cute. And we're using our markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
First, we're gonna draw the pile of leaves down here at the bottom. We're gonna draw a line for the ground. Then we can draw the leaves, and we're gonna draw just a zigzag line, and we're gonna try to make it the shape of upside down letter U, or a pile of leaves. So you can mix up the shape or the size of the zigzags. Oh, I love how big your pile is gonna be. That's awesome. Okay, now let's switch to our colors, actually. Before we draw our little puppy, we're gonna finish our pile of leaves. So we have our 3 fall leaf colors. We're just using yellow, orange, and red. Now you don't have to use markers. Like we mentioned, you can use whatever you have. Crayons work great too. Now I'm gonna first use yellow. You could use orange if you want. And we're gonna just create weird little shapes. Well, not weird, I guess, but we're just gonna draw little dashes and we can change what direction. It's supposed to look like leaves. And this is just a simple way of drawing a pile of leaves without having to draw each individual leaf. So that could take us a while. But we're gonna fill this up quite a bit. And this part will fast forward, but you can always pause the video for extra time. Now let's switch colors. You can use the yellow and I'll use the orange. And we're gonna repeat that same step. We're gonna mix up our leaves. So now we can draw or color in another color and just fill in the white space. It's okay if some of the white's showing, but we're gonna try to fill it up as much as we can. Now while you're doing the orange, I'm gonna switch to my red, and it's the last color. You could use more colors too if you want. I guess you could use brown and purple and maybe even some green. There's always still some green leaves that fall. But you can mix it up with more colors too if you want. We did it. There's a simple way to draw a pile of leaves. And I really like yours.
Thanks.
It turned out awesome. Okay, now we're ready to switch back to our drawing, our black marker, and we're gonna draw our puppy jumping into the leaves. Let's start with his nose, or her nose. We're gonna draw an oval shape. I'm drawing it really high up here so that we have room for our little puppy. Then we're gonna draw the mouth, and we're gonna draw it super happy. So I'm gonna draw 2 letter U's, one going out to the left and one out to the right. And then we can draw the mouth open. We'll draw a big letter U underneath, and then an upside down one for the tongue. Then we can color in the top part of the mouth. Okay, now for the eyes, we can draw an oval or a circle on each side. And then let's add a smaller oval in the top left, and then color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Now we're ready for the head. We're gonna draw a big upside down letter U for the top of our puppy's head. And then we can draw the cheeks sticking out just a little, and then we'll come underneath on both sides. We'll draw the cheeks sticking out and then come under, and we'll leave a little space here for the chin. Okay, now for the ears, let's draw a letter U on the left, and I'm coming down and touching the side of the head, and a letter U on the right to match. And then let's draw the top of the ears. We're gonna draw it curving up, down, and we'll come back up, and then right next to the side, we'll connect back into the head. And we can do the same thing over here. Draw it coming down, up, and then back down into the head. Yeah, I like your little face. It's so cute. He looks like he's having way more fun than mine. Now let's draw our puppy's body. We're gonna draw a short curve here and a short curve over here. And then we can draw the paws and the arms. We're gonna draw it curving out of the cheek and then coming down into the body, and then the same over here to match. Then we can draw the back paws or the feet. We're gonna draw a letter O, or just an oval. We're gonna draw a tipped oval on the side for the other foot. And then we can draw a short little line for the leg. And then we'll connect them together with a little curve. Okay, now for the paws, let's draw 2 little toe lines up here and also down here. And there's our puppy jumping into the leaves, except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, we need to color our whole drawing. This part we'll fast forward again, but you could pause the video and color your drawings too. We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our little puppies jumping into leaves, and it turned out awesome. Yours is my favorite because it's super cute, and I also love that we added a tail.
And I also added some green leaves.
Oh yeah, and our friends, you can change your drawings any way you want. You could add more colors to your leaves or even more things in the background.
We hope you had fun drawing a puppy jumping into leaves.
Yeah, and remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. Both of our drawings don't look exactly the same, but they turn out awesome. The most important thing is
To have fun and to practice.
yeah, have fun and practice, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.